Hello everyone. So if you have come over this video, then you might have got a problem. That is, whenever you are importing something, then it will say something like timeout error, or you won't be able to import from that file which is exported from another project. So that could happen because the file size could be very large and the server won't have the potential to import that large file into this project. Now, today we will see how we can do that thing from here. Now, let us see for that part. So here we have got a project called sizzle.com, and we have already exported the site to a file and then downloaded it, as you can see over here. Now, next thing we have to do is that we have to go into this project called test.sizzle.com, but not in this admin panel. We are going to do it directly through the file manager. So you have to go to file manager and then go to WP content, and remember that you have to be inside that same domain folder. Then go to A1 WM backup, and then you have to upload the file over here, which has been exported from another site. So let us upload it and then wait until the uploading process will finish. And from here, we'll skip the video for a while. So our file has been uploaded over here. If we go to file manager and then reload this, you could see that we have got a file over here. But how can I restore from here? So we have to simply go to the website and look at the backup part. You will see the same file here over here. Now here we have got one option called as restore. But if you click on the restore, you will see that it is a part of pro version. And obviously, if it is a part of pro version, we could not be able to access this feature. But that is not the truth over here. So for that one, open the console in your browser, and after opening the console, just load it one time, and then after that you will have got a certain code over here. You have to copy this code and paste it into the console. And if you cannot paste this content into your console, then remember that you have to type text called as allow pasting, and press enter button, then you will find out that you will be able to paste it. So that's on you. Now here we have got the file name, where you have to copy this file name over here and then paste that. Then after pasting this file name, click on enter. So after you click on enter, previously we had been given that we still have to win the unlimited extension or the pro version to use that feature. But now we're able to use this without going to the unlimited version or the pro version. We are able to use this feature in free version too. So our site has been imported successfully, means we have completed this part. Now if we click on finish, then you will get to see that our project has been imported successfully. That's all. So if you go to the site, you will see that the site has been imported. So it is the same site which you can see imported in another thing. So in this way, we can bypass the unlimited version and we could use that feature. Thank you all, and don't forget to subscribe at last, because we are creating such kind of video for you so that you could be able to access different kind of pro features of different tools. Thank you.